Hi, in this video, we'll see what is the course about and what will we learn in each section. This course teaches you how to use Docker in a production grade project in a single day. It starts from the very basics, including what is the need, and then moves on to the complex scenarios in each section. The last two sections teach how to use Docker in a production grade project. All the hands-on examples are designed keeping in mind use cases which you will come across in real-world projects. Topics included in the course are why Docker and understanding the need. Then we will understand components of Docker, which are containers and images. After that, we will learn how to build images and what structure do images have. Then we explore the differences between containers and VMs. After this section, we enhance our containers using environment variables, Docker volumes, and bind mounts. Once we are comfortable with deploying containers, we will see how containers can talk to each other using networks and communication. Once we have learned everything in detail, we will merge everything together and deploy a real-world app. After that, we will also learn about Docker Compose, which is used to control the deployment of multiple containers at once. As the last piece of the puzzle, we will deploy Docker in a production-grade environment. To best use this course, attempt all questions and hands-on exercises, try applying concepts on your own projects, raise queries to the instructor if you have any doubts. If you already know the basics of Docker, skip directly to the 9th section. Hope you enjoy this course.